In this video, let's talk about what kind of wheel spacers are best for your Tesla Model Y. Let's go. It is important to use the correct vehicle-specific wheel spacers. The role of this part is to increase the distance from the wheel to the hub assembly, thus achieving the position of the wheels to push outward. The position of the wheels will bring many benefits. You will eventually need spacers with hub century to ensure safety, because a hub century spacer can fit the vehicle hub and wheel perfectly, providing a firm and stable wheel connection. Bonus wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub century rings. The multi-stage hub century design provides the bevels to fit the corresponding hub flange. The wheels are well balanced so that there will be less chance of vibration. If you want to get the bonus wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day!